Sure. Well, at General Dynamics, cyber is baked into everything we do. So I'd like to mention two. One focused on governance, the other on enterprise resiliency and threat protection. In the area of governance, we're very proud of the support we've been providing since 1998 to the Army Second Cyber Center, West Hemisphere, formerly the CTNOSC out at Fort Huachuca, Arizona. And that's a very critical role that we provide supporting the government to help mature and protect the network that's supporting or providing access for over 1.2 million Army users, at more than 200 CONUS installations. And we've helped them mature their legacy help desk, putting idle processes in place, and really supporting all enterprise-level operations. The other is some support we've been providing to the Air Force, where we help the Air Force's network security perimeter be collapsed. 16 cybersecurity gateways that basically form a security boundary shielding all the Air Force, the 105, United States Air Force bases worldwide. As part of this redesign, we updated their critical infrastructure, intrusion protection systems, their security and event management capability, and that kind of construct fits very nicely into the Joint Information Environment and the Joint Regional Security Stack architecture that's being implemented for JIE. So it sort of helps us set the stage for where the collapse of the DoD networks are occurring.
Well, certainly.